Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are good. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to make correct egusi soup that you can eat that you can use to eat about fufu, pounded yam, semo, wheat. So guys, stay tuned to watch how I make this confirm Nigerian egusi soup, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and as well turn on your notification bell so you will be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. So guys, cook with me, cook with it, yes baby. So guys, basically these are all the ingredients you'll be needing to make this Nigerian egusi soup. First, you'll be needing ugu, known as pumpkin leaf. Then you'll be needing dry fish, then smoked fish, which is called bala, if I'm right. Then we'll be needing onions, then no chicken cube. Then we'll be needing fresh pepper. You can use dry pepper as well. Then we'll be making use of goat meat, then more. Then we have stockfish, and then the main egusi soup. I said egusi soup. The main egusi already grounded with crayfish. So stay tuned. So guys, at this point my meat is almost ready, so I have to leave it for like 15 minutes to soften a little bit. So the meat is ready now. I have to add in my pepper. I blended this pepper, my fresh pepper, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of water, and then my red oil, which is palm oil. So add a little bit, it shouldn't be too much, and then I'll have to stir it together. I have to stir properly so everything can cooperate very well. And then the next thing I'm going to be adding is our egusi. So I already have my crayfish in this egusi. I grounded it with it, so add it in, then stir together again. So what I did was, after I added the water, I had to let it boil before adding this egusi so it can mix very well. Then I have to stir very well. Then I added in my ugu, known as pumpkin leaf. So at this point, my egusi soup is almost ready. You don't have anything else to put in. Everything is ready inside. So we have to wait for like 10 minutes. Then we check this back, and that's all. Voila! We have our egusi soup. Voila! My egusi soup is ready. Guys, you need to try this recipe. It's really nice and delicious. Very delicious. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys.